Hi third graders, it's Miss Liz. So this is week 3 and I want to tell you guys about our project, okay? Our project this week is Rexlace glow in the dark keychains, okay? So this is what it'll look like in your project bag. It should have come with the fluffy slime kit and another project for week 4. I don't know my numbers. It should come with week 4, okay? And so that's what we're gonna do with this. So it looks like that. We're gonna open it up and see what's inside. Inside your project bag, you should find a silver key ring and 6 different colors of strands. So let me untangle all this mess. Okay, so we have a light pink colored string. We have a hot pink colored string. We have a blue colored string, a green colored string, a yellow colored string, and a white colored string, all of which are glow in the dark, okay? So what you guys are gonna do, you guys will choose 2 different colored strings. You have enough to make 3 different keychains, so if mom or dad or brother and sister wanna help you make one, go right ahead and let the family have fun with you. I've made them myself before. I love making them actually. As you can see on my personal work keys, work keys have these 2 right here. So they're blue and orange. This one is different. And then this is black and white. And this is the keychain that we'll be doing in the video. It's called a 4-square stitch. And if you guys want to look at my glow in the dark one, gonna be float as well. This is a 4-square stitch as well. And there's this one. So they're really cool. I love them. As you can tell, if you guys notice, this is Miss Liz's work keys, the ones that you guys love to fold around and help me hold. So yeah, let's get started. I'm gonna show you guys how to start off the knot, and then I'll show you how to create the keychain and keep it going.
Okay guys, so this is our 4-square cross stitch, how to start it. So I grabbed my pink ones, and you can see I crossed them over, both going the opposite ways of each other, and I kind of separated them out. So I grabbed the right blue string and put it over and under the first pink string on the right. And then I grabbed the left blue string and did over and under as well, starting with the first pink string on the left. And then you kind of pull it. So you can see me as I pull the laces together. It is kind of awkward because you kind of have to like pull all 4 strings at the same time. So once you pull them, you're going to tighten them very well. And then kind of move the ring around to where it's in a secure place. And there we go. There we are. So that's what it'll look like when you start it. And here's me continuing it. I have it a little bit more at a fast pace. But here we are, I'm doing the same thing. The pink strings are going the opposite ways, and then I'm doing over and under, going from the bottom string going up, and then over and under going from the top string to the bottom. And then I just pull it and tighten it. And right here you can see me kind of tighten it in focus, where you can see in view. And we're just gonna keep on going until we have our bracelet. So I'm gonna make sure it goes a little bit more faster, but this is just me making it towards the very end. Okay guys, you can see I just kind of tightened it, and this is where I kind of developed it a little bit more so you guys can see what it will look like when you're first starting out. It's a little bit wonky, but here it is. That's what the top looks like. And this is a finished project. You can see at the end of the Rexlace keychain, I burn off the edges. If you guys would like to do this, have mom or dad help you. You simply cut off the edges and then you melt it a little bit with over your stove. But have mom or dad's help when you do this. And this is our art activities, week 3. Our activity 1 is a cursive name bug. So you are simply drawing your name in cursive twice, and then you're going to use your imagination to turn it into a colorful, beautiful bug. Our activity 2 is a Kente cloth weavings. In this activity, we are weaving different pieces of paper together to make a mat, and then we can draw designs on it. I will demonstrate how to do it in a time-lapse video. This is our name bug right here, an example that I found on the internet. And later on you'll see an example of mine. And this is the Kente cloth weavings. Now I am going to add a link to our video to the actual website where I learned how to do this, but I will also do a time-lapse video of myself making it as well at the end of this video after my example of the cursive name bug. So this is the example that I made. It took me a little bit. I chose to write out my name and then draw a mirror effect on the bottom. You guys can choose to draw a mirror effect, or you can choose to do it the opposite way. For the mediums I used the regular crayons that I gave you guys, a black marker, and a pencil. I used a pencil to outline the name of my drawing, and then I covered it in marker. After that, I used the marker to draw the designs and then color it in with crayons. For our Kente cloth paper weaving, we will need marker, a pencil, scissors, and glue in 3 different colors of construction paper. Okay, so right here you can see that I folded my yellow paper hot dog style, and I put the blue and orange one to the side. Ta-da! Now I'm going to get my black marker, a pencil, a glue stick, and scissors ready to be used. So I'm going to get my pencil and the glue cap of the glue stick, and I'm going to make lines across my yellow paper on the folded edge. Like so. And all I did was use the glue cap. So I use those as increments, and then I'm going to use the side of this marker box and a pencil to make the lines more complete. There we go. Now you can see this horizontal line. We're not going to cut, and I use the space between the horizontal line and the top of the paper for the glue stick cap. So again, we're only cutting the vertical lines all the way up, and we're not cutting across horizontal lines at all. Again, the horizontal lines should be as tall as the glue marker cap, or not the glue marker, but the glue stick cap. And there we go, we have it. Now I opened it up so you can see it. We're only going to be weaving on the side that doesn't have the pencil markings on it. So now we're going to get a blue and orange paper, and we're going to make the same increments like I did on the yellow paper, but going across horizontally. So you can see I made those ones, and I made the cap, the size of the cap. Now I folded the top of my first increment on the blue paper over so that I could start cutting and I wouldn't have to draw out the lines. And it's going to look like this. There you go, I folded all the way across and I cut each folded line. Like so. Okay, hold on, wait. I was gonna get a bigger pair of scissors to make it go a little bit more faster, but I couldn't find it, so oh well. And there we are. Now we're gonna do the same thing that I just did to orange paper, and voila, ta-da! Here it is. Now we're gonna start weaving our orange and blue paper into the yellow cloth. Let's go. Woo! Now here you can see that I'm weaving the blue paper in and out. So over, above, kind of like the Rexlace, but on paper. Now you can see if I did the blue, I did the blue and orange strokes opposite in a pattern, and it'll be the same way. So you can see on the top right here, starting with the blue line, on the first part of the yellow strip, it's under, and then the orange strip for the first part, it is over. Now I can glue the ends to the yellow paper, and voila. Now this is me. I'm going to draw the designs on my kente cloth paper. So the colors I used for my designs were black, red, green, and purple. And as I'm finishing up drawing all the designs over the thing, there it is. And this is our 2 art activities finished side by side. That's all for now, guys. I will see you guys next week for another video. All my love, Miss Liz.